So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna solve a finite duplicate number from a LeetCode problem. This problem gives us that there are n plus 1 integer in an array where the largest number will be n, and this gives us a liberty that whenever we give the value as an index to our array, we are not going out of range. So I can use Floyd's tortoise and hare algorithm to find the duplicate number, since there's only going to be one duplicate number here. So I can use that uh, you know loop linked list to find out the duplicate number. So for that, let's create a function. Let's first start with the array that we have. It will be let's say 3 1 3 4 2 2, and here we can see that the duplicate number will be 2. And let's create a function called def let's say find solution. So this is going to be a function, and here I'm going to pass my list, that is num, and let's create the function def find solution, and let's pass here the list num. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create two variables, tortoise and hare. Hare is going to move twice at the speed of the tortoise, and at one point they're going to intersect, and I'm looking for where they're going to intersect. So I'm going to have tortoise and hare, and they're both going to start from the first index of our num. So num0 is going to be their value, and I'm going to create a condition while true, while that means an infinite loop here, and I will break this, so don't worry. So if I have tortoise is equal to, let's say, num tortoise, so it's going to move at a speed of 1. So every time it's just going to move up by one step, and same with here, it's going to move twice. So num, and I'm going to have num num, and then the here is also is going to move at twice the speed. And I'll look if so what I'm going to look here for is that, let's say, 1 3 4 2 and 2, these number are given to us as an example. So I'm going to take this as a base, and here I'm going to start with let's say num0, which is going to be 1. So this will be our first value, and 1 is going to be our index for the next value. So num1 will be the output for a second step for the tortoise. Obviously this is a tortoise movement here. It's going to be at 3. Similarly, then it's going to be at num1 will 3, so this will give us 2. So because the third is 2, and similarly for now we have 2, so it will give us 4, because num2 will give us 4. And if we say this then there is a loop, because 4 will give us 2 and 2 will give us 4. So this is a cycle now, and this is why we are using this Floyd tortoise and hare problem. So pardon me for my handwriting, I'm writing with the mouse. And this is the movement for a tortoise, but here is going to move at twice the speed. So it's going to be 1, then it's going to move to 2, and then it's going to rotate at twice the speed for the cycle. So here is going to be like this. So num1 will give us like 1 will give us num1 will give us 3, and num3 will give us 2. So it will just move to 2, and then it's going to be a cycle, and every time it's going to stop at 2. So this is for this case, and let's write the break condition. So if there is an intersection, let's say if is tortoise is equal to here, then I'm going to break out of this while loop. So if tortoise is equal to here, then break. And now what I'm going to do is, because this intersection can occur at any point and I'm looking for the duplicate number, I'm going to give tortoise another chance. I'm going to set tortoise is again at the beginning, and from beginning to the point where the loop start, it's going to take some time, some steps. So I'm going to see how so when this happens, I'm going to give hare a chance, and hare will start from the point where there was an intersection, and it's going to run at the same speed as a tortoise and move towards that starting point. And here we give us the position of the starting point. So I need the while loop. So while tortoise is not equal to here, uh, I'll have tortoise. I'll have tortoise is equal to num tortoise, and here is also equal to num here, because this time they're gonna both move at the same speed. uh, Tortoise equal to num tortoise, sorry, and here is also equal to num here, and I will return the hare after this, because the hare will give us the position of the number that is repeating, or that is the reason for this loop, because it is going to be like C my I'll just draw it and show you how. So let's again draw that array that we have. So we have 1 here, then 3, then 2 and 4, that loop here. So 2 and 4, that loop that recurs again and again, and we walk f steps here. So f steps from 1 to 2. So okay, this is how tortoise and hare walks at one speed and twice the speed. And at one point, not in this case, but in some cases, or I should say in general cases, we are not gonna get 2 here, we may get another number here. That is not the reason for the loop to start. So that's why we're gonna run the second loop here. That is again like giving the tortoise a chance and start from the beginning, and here will start from the point where the intersection occur, and this will give us the counter that this will give us a value that is a reason for the loop in the first place. So let's run the code Python and so oh sorry, there's no not in tortoise. There should be not here, not exclamation. So if I run it again, I think the code should work. Say, and there's another. Sorry. I'm out of. There's an indentation error here. Very stupid of me. Also, the name is wrong. So what I've done wrong is, while I'm inside the loop, I'm actually making another loop here, and this should not be the case. So I have to go back here, and so this loop should run after I have break out of the previous infinite loop. Otherwise, it's going to be a mess, and I need to print the solution that I'm getting from my function. So print solve, so I can see what I'm doing is right or wrong. So what is happening here? Am I stuck in some kind of recursion? So the issue I think here is oh okay, I can see now. So tortoise is so it should not be equal to num when it's in the loop. So if I run this code again now, and let's hope for the best. Yeah, it gave me the right answer, which is 2. And let's change the list here again and see if this give me the right answer or not. So I should just print the solution now. Yeah, I'm getting 3. So guys, this is the solution to find the duplicate number if the size of the array is just greater than the biggest number in the loop. And you can use this thing, because the time complexity for Floyd, tortoise and hare is big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of 1. And guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and I hope I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.